The S1 out of stock report is a popular favorite amongst Crunchbox users. After all, who doesn't want to be alerted every Monday with a list of the most critical and prioritized out of stocks?
The out of stock report shows store product combinations that are out of stock at the end of last week and will allow you to estimate the cost of being out of stock of your best sellers. By choosing your top 20 products, this report will only show you those stores out of stock of those top 20 products. In addition, if your retail partner provides stock on order data, you will be able to see which of those stores have stock on the way. The report can be run by product by store, ranking best to worst, or by store by product. You can also choose to view the data sorted by units or by dollars. Let's look at this report and I'll show you how it works.
First, choose a retailer. Then choose a category. For best practice, keep your base period at the most current week. Use the status filter to filter out inactive or discontinued products if you update these in your product master. We can help you with this if you want to know more. If your retailer supplies net dollars data, you can select net sales excluding tax in the measures. Add description in the attribute filter so you know what products you're looking at. Next, choose your top products. You can choose from top 10, 20, 30, 50, or all. In this case, I will select the top 20. Finally, select the number of weeks of sales you want to consider, which determines average rate of sale in the report and therefore helps you prioritize. Remember that the only criteria for this report is article store combinations out of stock at the end of last week. In this example, we'll use 4 weeks. Once you've made all the selections, tap Crunch. To quickly find your biggest opportunities, filter out products that have had 0 sales over the last 4 weeks by using the filter. Choose sales units and add greater than 0. Now we're looking at product store combinations that have had genuine sales over the last 4 weeks and that are now out of stock. By removing the filter, you can also view the store article combinations that have had no sales over the period, which may represent yet further opportunities. Why would these stores have no sales? Probably because they were out of stock. To see your biggest opportunities in terms of out of stock, drag description to the front, then collapse down the report to hide all the stores. Sort by net sales dollars showing the highest value first. If your retailer does not provide net sales data, you can use RRP including tax if you update this in your product master. If you want to summarize the biggest opportunities, focus on the largest values and highlight this to your field teams. Another way to look at this report is by store. First, drag store name to the front of the report, then collapse down by using the minus button. Then sort by highest to lowest. This report can be exported to Excel, shared, or set up as a favorite in which you can receive an alert when new data is uploaded. Let me show you how. Once you have the report the way you want it, tap the orange star. A pop-up will appear. You will need to make certain your pop-up blocker allows pop-ups from Crunchbox. Give the report a name you will remember, and to receive an email when new data is loaded into the report, tick Create Favorite Mail.
This report is a popular favorite amongst Crunchbox users. After all, who doesn't want to be alerted every Monday to a list of most critical and prioritized out of stocks? If you have any questions or need support, contact us at support@crunchbox.com.